guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this dark, sultry, witchy horror movie vibe look. And if you're interested in how I did it, keep watching. Okay, we're just gonna hop right into it because I don't really have any I have an idea of what I'm gonna do, but it's kind of just winging it. I love anything to do with witchiness, so there's never any tutorials like this for Halloween that I'm always looking for. I mean, there's a few, and they're great. I'll link them if I can find them in the description, but I just like the aesthetic, witchy, horror movie type vibe. I hold my mirror over here because this is the palest thing I have. I don't have anything paler than this concealer. And this concealer is so old, and I don't even know how old or when I got it. So yeah. Just gonna put down a base of paleness. Okay, sorry that the lighting changed. I had to because it's getting dark outside. And I also felt insecure about my neighbors seeing me because I'm in my sunroom, which this whole room is just windows, so I felt awkward and insecure. Because they're outside in their backyard all the time and I look like a psycho, so. Okay, so apparently I don't have any gray that's not sparkly. And that's what I was gonna try and do my contouring with. But I guess that's not happening. I literally have no gray that's okay. Oh well, I guess it's gonna be sparkly-ish. Right now I'm just kind of carving out where I want to put it. And then I'll blend it all in. I'm by no means any good at makeup. Just putting that out there. I try to be okay, but I'm not that great. Add some to my head. I'm trying to make this as glam as I can because I like to look cute. I like the idea of a powerful witch woman who is beautiful and wow. You look at her and you're like, wow. So I'm gonna see if it's possible to change my face. Okay, sorry for the change. I had to figure out how to fix everything with my lighting, and yeah, so this should be better, I hope. I might just start filming right here anyway. So yeah, now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. They're not gonna be that cute. I just want them to be slightly glam, so we'll see what I can do. I'll do my best to I know I said I was gonna do my eyes first, but I think I'm gonna do my brows first because focus. want big brows. So I think I'm going to do my brows with eyeliner and eyeshadow. Okay, that was rude. My battery died, so I had to sit there for an hour and wait for it to charge. So sorry. But next, I was gonna move on to my eyes. I did my brows off camera. I'm probably still gonna do more to them. I just filled them in with black eyeliner. For now, I'm gonna do the eyes, and I'm gonna use that same color that I used for my face on my eyes as a base, and then I'm just gonna make it all black because I don't know, I am. I don't know why, I kind of already have this undertone, like this like pinkish red, sickly dying undertone. And I kind of just want to add that to the look. Just because, I don't know. It seems evil and sultry to me, and that's the whole like goal for this look. Okay, so my camera stopped recording automatically. I don't know where I was at in the story, but I'm just gonna refrain from talking about it since for some reason my camera decided to stop. So now I'm just adding black on top of that, kind of just winging it. I guess I'm gonna try to do like a halo, whatever type eye. Because I like how that looks. With this look, I honestly think you can be as messy as possible. Just because I'm going for like that look of you're walking in the woods that are supposedly haunted in the middle of the night, and there's rumors of witchcraft, and then you just, you know, hear things and you stumble along and you run into this look. Major inspiration for me for loving witchcraft so much, the idea of it not actually practicing it, which I guess is not fair, but is Rowena from Supernatural. She just like slays. She's such a powerful woman, and I love that. I love powerful women. I'll show you the palette I'm using though, because it'll give you a big hint on the type of person that I am. Supernatural. My most favorite show of all time. Not sponsored by Hot Topic, but I would love to be. So, you know, hit me up if you're interested. My favorite show of all time. I'm not even gonna get started on that show. I'm not gonna discuss that. If you would like to know more and are a supernatural freak like me, comment in the comments below and let me know, and maybe we can chat in the comments about it. Next, I'm going to try and do some type of veins, like my body is so overwhelmed and possessed by evil that it just comes out everywhere. Sorry if you see me looking down, my mirror is right here. Basically just gonna add these all over my face, like the perimeters of my face, and then move on to my lips from there. Take this brush and just put it on here and work on the outside of my lips first. Now that I've done that and ruined another brush, I'm gonna go in with a small, like, fluffy brush, and when applying these lipsticks, oh my gosh. When applying these lipsticks, at first I started off like filling in my actual lips with a darker color, and then I filled in on the inside with red, and then I kind of got messy because what I plan to do is put a darker color on the outside, and so it's gonna end up getting messy anyway. I'm gonna mix some of that red I used on my eyes with like a brown and a black. For the top lip, I'm gonna try and keep it as close to my lip line as I can because I don't want to look like I have a mustache too much. So what I'm gonna do next is kind of draw similar lines like I have on my face, just on my lips. And this time, I'm going to draw with eyeliner. And I'm gonna be using this to draw a typical moon on my forehead as well. Okay, while that dries, I'm gonna move on to the moon, and this is the hard part. I'm gonna sketch it out with eyeshadow first because that's too risky. Eyeliner can't just wipe away or get rid of the foundation. I mean concealer. That's pretty centered. As far as centering goes, the shape is terrible. We'll see if I can do it. I practiced this before and it was terrible, so I might get upset. So I did this moon off camera, this crescent moon as best as I did this crescent moon off camera as best as I could. It was stressing me out. So this is what's gonna have to stay for now. So next I'm gonna add like a few like little dots and stuff here and here and here and here, and I want to put some under my eyes to make it a little more glam, and then mascara, and I'll be pretty much done. And this is obviously not like a professional look, and I'm not any professional, not even close, but gives me clown vibes, but we'll try. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of highlight to be a little bit more glamorous. And then I'm gonna like add a layer of mascara. I already have mascara on from earlier in the day, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. And then I'm gonna call this look almost done. Stop this from being like close to a clown mouth. I'm gonna dab a little bit of black eyeshadow on this, just so it looks a little more dirty. Okay guys, this is the finished look.